Hi kids! Let me introduce you to some animals and learn something from them. Let's start with the king of the jungle, the lion. I'm the king of the jungle. I'm powerful and strong. I have a mighty roar and mane that's golden and long. I am strong and I live alone. I'm not scared of anyone. Have no fear, just like me. Never be afraid at all. I am tiger. My skin's all white and orange with dark black stripes. I've got sharp claws and strong paws and can jump very high. I'm the national animal of India and I'm really proud of that. You also do, so good work too, and be the nation's pride.
Hey kids, I'm the elephant. I've got long white teeth and a trunk for a nose. My ears are big like a fan. Kids, take a ride on my back. I'm so big and powerful and have a super memory too. But I am kind and loving too. So why don't you be like me? Hey kids, I'm a bear and he's a teddy bear. I've got brown furry hair and they call me teddy bear. If I white furry hair, then they call me a polar bear. I'm also a soft toy. Kids love to play with me. So kids, be fun, loving and kind, and you'll win hearts like me. I am a hippo. I have a mouth that's wide and huge and have very sharp teeth. I have a body big and round. In Africa is where I'd be. I can do a lot in life, but I like to laze about. So get up kids, do some work. Don't be lazing around.
Hey kids, hope you learned something from them, cause I did. Bye!
Hey kids, let's learn the names of birds and their colors. So let's start with the color black. Caw, 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 they keep on cawing night and day. They teach us how to eat together and also to stay. Black is their color, long beak and black short feet. And the bird is crow. Correct. Now let's go with the color green. Can you guess the bird? Whatever you speak, he's surely going to repeat. He likes guava and peanuts are his favorite too. Green is his color, has a strong beak, and the bird is parrot. Perfect! You're doing so well. The next color is white. Guess the bird. Peaceful and elegant, smoothly on water they glide. Strong and handsome, they do take a lot of pride. White is their color, very sharp eyes, and the bird is swan. Superb! The next color is blue. Now try and guess the next bird. Beautiful, slim neck, a lovely crown on his head. When it starts to rain, it dances with his feathers spread. Blue is his color, colorful feathers too, and the bird is peacock. Absolutely right. The next color is brown. Can you guess the bird? Cheep, cheep, they chirp. They're so small and they're so sweet. Seeds on your window, they will eat and get their meal. Brown is their color, small and cute beak, and the bird is sparrow. Oh, y'all are doing so good. The next color is pink. Guess the bird, kids. Long and slim, bird. Can you guess the bird? Red, yellow, purple, orange, oh they are so colorful. Small little wings, but they fly so fast and powerful. They are multicolored, long beak and long